Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Mayuri Nair and I am from Mumbai. Here I would like to share a few moments in the workshop which I did it from Healing Heaven. Mumtaz ma'am has done a beautiful healing process for all of us. The workshop name is Advanced Karmic Spiritual Workshop. Okay, here there are 8 processes ma'am is doing for us, and it's a deep level healing process. It heals your DNA. It will definitely heal your chakras. Their past life karmic impressions are released. You must have heard these kind of modalities are available in the market and many healers are doing. Then why am I here to tell you that this workshop is totally different than others? Because in this process, when ma'am does with us, you can actually feel the divinity around you. You can actually feel the miraculous light is pouring on you, and it is something which you should come and experience. If I try to explain, I think it's better you come here and experience it. There are few processes ma'am has done with us, and which one I found which is very close to my heart is shielding, because by profession I am also a healer, and this I feel that the shielding is very much required for every person, not only healer but every person needed, because there are many negative energies are attacking on us. It is not for us, it is for our family members also. So this is something very close to my heart, and the relationship healing. All the healings are done through different angels. So you feel the angels are around you. Forgiveness is a very important part of our life, and why it is important and how to release has also taught by man, which is the highest second level of energy we have learned in this workshop. So sometimes we always say that I forgive, but how you should actually go along with the divinity is taught by man and done itself here. So you are completely free from those baggages you are carrying long time back. Since you have taken birth. If I start telling you, there will be many things will be coming, but the main process which is really close to my heart and I wanted to share is that relationship healing. Most of us are facing a lot of relationship issues, and there are sometimes you are not able to communicate, or sometimes you are communicating and you are not getting result. So how to communicate on soul level? It's a beautiful technique ma'am has taught us and ma'am has done with us. I think that is the best gift for all of us, something which you have to create on soul level and you will see manifesting in your life. This technique is beautiful. Everyone should do this workshop. This is blessing for us coming from God, and please don't lose this opportunity. Please approach here and see that the new life is opening for you. New life opportunities are opening for you. It's a blessing for all of us, those who are here. And Mumtaz ma'am is teaching is so well that there are many workshops I have done, okay, many type of healing modalities I have done, but here when ma'am does healing with us, first she will explain us what are the benefits, then she will explain us the proper procedure, like which angel she is going to call, how you should visualize, what will be the benefit after that, and then finally she takes us for the process, and then the process becomes very easy. There are few videos also she shares, so sometimes we are not easy to visualize certain things, so those videos are helping us to see the energy through our inner world. So definitely the day you enter, you will start experiencing miraculous healing, miraculous energy around you. You will definitely see, it's a 100% guarantee from my side that your life will change. That's how she is working for all of us, and I am deeply giving my gratitude to her daughter. She is very sweet, and she is divine child. And ma'am, Mumtaz ma'am, I all really giving my best wishes that many souls that come and attach to you and they just get their life opening. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.